Guys, I finally tried pink chocolate. Got these on a recent trip to Portland, and this is how it went down. So this, we have here the ruby chocolate. This little tiny bar, see how tiny it is compared to my hand. It was $2. It's this new variety of chocolate. Ooh, it's like pink, and I'm going to eat it for the first time.
Ruby chocolate, or pink chocolate, is a new form of chocolate from Switzerland that has very recently finally made its way to the United States. I got this ruby chocolate at the Meadow, a specialty gift, chocolate, and salt shop in Portland, New York, and in Japan. I went to the Portland location.
Kaffee Tasse. Oh, Tasse, like cup in German, or probably some other Euro language. Okay. Oh, it is tangy. Okay, I heard this is supposed to sort of taste like berries. I'm getting, it's sort of like white chocolate. Oh, now milk chocolate. And tangy, kind of like berries. This is very interesting. It's good. Yeah, I mean, it almost reminds me of like frozen yogurt, but as a bar, if that makes any sense. That was so eloquent. Okay. So yeah, it was very expensive. We got two, we ate one of them in Portland, and this is the remaining one that we're just kind of saving for later. All in all, it tastes good, but it's not worth what we paid for. And like regular old dark chocolate is so much better. If you like white chocolate, then you'll probably really like this stuff. And like I said, it does kind of remind me of like boysenberry frozen yogurt in its tanginess and its creaminess, but it's just a little too sweet for my taste. But I'm still glad I tried it. And that shop in Portland is definitely worth checking out as well if you're ever in Portland. I'm doing another week challenge at the moment where I am meal prepping all of my meals for a week, so look out for that video soon. And until then, bye food lovers.